Kakatiya Dynasty. Kakatiya Dynasty was a medieval Indian dynasty that ruled over the Telugu-speaking regions of present-day Telangana and Andhra Pradesh from the 12th to the 14th century CE. The Kakatiyas made significant contributions to the political, cultural, and architectural history of South India. Here are some key aspects of the Kakatiya dynasty. Origin and rise. The Kakatiya dynasty was founded by King Prola II in the early 12th century CE. They initially served as vassals under the Western Chalukyas and later gained independence and established their own kingdom with Warangal as their capital. Political power. The Kakatiyas emerged as a powerful dynasty in the Deccan region and successfully resisted invasions by the Yadavas, the Hoysalas, and the Seuna, Yadava dynasty. They consolidated their power through strategic alliances, military prowess, and effective administration. Cultural patronage. The Kakatiyas were great patrons of art, literature, and architecture. They encouraged the growth of Telugu literature and promoted the language as a medium of cultural expression. Renowned poets and scholars flourished under their patronage, and significant literary works were produced during their reign. Architectural marvels. The Kakatiyas left behind a rich architectural legacy. They built magnificent temples, forts, and irrigation structures. The Thousand-Pillar Temple in Warangal, the Ramappa Temple in Palmpet, and the Warangal Fort are notable examples of their architectural achievements. These structures showcase intricate carvings, exquisite sculptures, and distinct Kakatiya architectural features. Irrigation and agriculture. The Kakatiyas paid great attention to irrigation projects and the development of agriculture. They constructed numerous reservoirs, tanks, and canals to enhance agricultural productivity and support the welfare of their subjects. Famous Ramappa Lake, built during Thay reign, is a testament to their expertise in water management. Decline and successor states. The Kakatiya dynasty faced challenges from the Delhi Sultanate in the 14th century CE. They resisted several invasions but eventually succumbed to the forces of Alauddin Khilji in 1323 CE. After the fall of the Kakatiya Empire, the region came under the rule of the Delhi Sultanate and later witnessed the emergence of various successor states, including the Bahmani Sultanate and the Vijayanagar Empire. The Kakatiya dynasty's contributions to art, architecture, literature, and irrigation systems have left a lasting impact on the cultural heritage of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Their patronage of Telugu language and literature helped shape the regional identity, and their architectural marvels continue to be admired for their beauty and historical significance.